back with the plants, and I have a new box. So let's see what's in here. This should be from possibly Grow Tropicals, I can't remember. But let's have a nosy at what we have delivered. Ooh. Get rid of all that, don't need any of that. Right, first, let's see what is here. Oh, it's tied up. So, having cracked the bag open, we have... I have no idea what that is, and I also have no idea what this is. It's a bit furry. And it's very well stuck in there. So, I will add the names to these below here somewhere. They're looking good. I believe it's just the 2 plants in there. And then in here, I believe, are the other 2. So I just unravelled this to find the other 2 plants. These are a lot bigger than I was expecting them to be. That one looks as though it's had a leaf chopped off it. Again, I will write down the names for these. Time to get these planted out and show you the rest of them. And here are the plants out of the box. So to start with, we've got Ficus villosa, I believe this is. We have up here a Rhaphidophora tenus. This is a Philodendron gloriosa. And this one here is a Philodendron oxypapens. Now this was supposed to be a single leaf, rooted single leaf, and clearly it's a little bit more than a rooted single leaf. So that was a bargain. So this is what the plants I got. So I'm now going to get these repotted, make sure they're in good shape, and go from there. And here are the plants freshly planted in their soil, looking lovely. Ignore the fact that it says habanero orange. That's definitely not a chili plant. That is the Rhaphidophora tenuis, or however you pronounce that. Again, this is my usual soil mix, nothing special. I have added moss to these 3, so they look a bit better, and I've added a pole in that one because it was a bit floppy, probably from where it's been in transport. So I'm now going to stick these underneath the grow lights for a couple of days and see how they do. Thank you very much for watching this quick unboxing video, and I'll give you some updates on these plants in the near future.